Donkey in a tiger's skin. A potter had a donkey. The donkey worked all day, and was tied with a rope at night. It got nothing but dry grass to eat. So the donkey became weaker and weaker. One day it became so weak that it could hardly work. What should the potter do now? He was very cunning. At night, he tied a tiger skin on the donkey's back. Then he left the donkey in a field in which there were plenty of green vegetables to eat. So every day the donkey worked hard. But in the night he wore the tiger skin and merrily ate vegetables in the field. In a few days he was strong again. The farmer who owned the field got very worried. Who was stealing his vegetables in the night? He must find out. One night the farmer covered himself in a brown blanket and went to the field. He hid himself under a bush and sat watching. That night too, the potter put the tiger skin on the donkey and left him in the field. The farmer saw the tiger skin and was frightened. "Oh, there's a tiger in my field," he thought. "I hope he doesn't eat me up." The donkey had a good feed and was feeling happy. "I wish I had a friend here," he thought. "How I would love to talk to him." Just then the moon rose in the sky. In the light of the moon the donkey saw the farmer. But the farmer was covered with a brown blanket. And so the donkey thought he was another brown donkey. The potter's donkey was very happy to see a friend. "Now I have someone to talk to," he thought. So opening his mouth wide, he started braying. Hee-haw, 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 as loud as he could. "Oh, this is only a donkey wearing a tiger's skin," thought the farmer. "And he has been eating my vegetables, has he? Well, well. I'll see that he doesn't do it again." So, lifting his stick, the farmer started raining blows on the donkey. In a few minutes, the donkey ran away and never came back again. Thanks for watching.